Space is vast and full of wonders. It stretches beyond our imagination, filled with countless stars, planets, and galaxies. Each corner of the universe holds secrets waiting to be discovered. Among the most captivating are black holes. These fascinating objects have intrigued scientists and astronomers for decades. These cosmic entities are shrouded in mystery. Their very nature challenges our understanding of space and time. They challenge our understanding of the universe. Theoretical physicists have long pondered their existence and the complex phenomena associated with them. Black holes are not empty spaces, but rather regions of extreme density. Imagine a mass so compact that it warps the fabric of space itself. Imagine a place where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. This boundary is known as the event horizon, beyond which lies the unknown. That is the enigmatic nature of a black hole. They are cosmic enigmas that continue to baffle and inspire. Black holes are fascinating objects of study. They represent the ultimate extremes of physics and challenge our understanding of the cosmos. They push the boundaries of our knowledge of physics. By studying black holes, we learn more about the fundamental laws that govern the universe. Their existence was predicted by Einstein's theory of general relativity. This groundbreaking theory revolutionized our understanding of gravity and the fabric of space-time. Now, astronomers have evidence of their presence throughout the universe. Using advanced telescopes and observatories, they have detected the telltale signs of black holes. Black holes come in different sizes, from small stellar mass black holes to the colossal supermassive black holes at the centers of galaxies. Some are the remnants of collapsed stars. When a massive star exhausts its fuel, it can collapse under its own gravity, forming a black hole. Others are supermassive giants lurking at the centers of galaxies. These behemoths can have masses equivalent to millions or even billions of suns, influencing the formation and evolution of galaxies. At the heart of a black hole lies the singularity. This is a point of infinite density. It is where the laws of physics, as we know them, break down. The singularity is a place of extreme conditions. We can only speculate about what happens there. Surrounding the singularity is the event horizon. This is the boundary beyond which there is no return. Once something crosses the event horizon, it is forever trapped. The gravitational pull is too strong to overcome. Not even light can escape its grasp. This is why black holes appear black. They do not emit light that we can detect. The event horizon marks a point of no return. It is a boundary in space-time. Black holes form when massive stars die. Throughout their lives, stars are engaged in a delicate balance. Nuclear fusion in their cores creates an outward pressure. This counteracts the inward pull of gravity. When a star runs out of fuel, this balance is disrupted. Gravity takes over. The star's core collapses in on itself. If the star is massive enough, the core collapses into a singularity. A black hole is born. The outer layers of the star are expelled into space in a supernova explosion. This is one of the most energetic events in the universe. Stellar mass black holes are scattered throughout galaxies. They are remnants of a star's violent death. Black holes exert a powerful gravitational pull on their surroundings. This can have dramatic effects on nearby objects. Imagine a star venturing too close to a black hole. The star's material would be stretched and torn apart in a process called spaghettification. This is due to the extreme tidal forces near the black hole. Black holes can also launch powerful jets of radiation. As matter falls into a black hole, it forms an accretion disk. This disk heats up and emits radiation. Some of this material is channeled into jets that shoot out from the poles of the black hole. These jets can extend for thousands of light years. They interact with the surrounding interstellar medium. In the 1970s, Stephen Hawking made a groundbreaking discovery that would change our understanding of the universe. He showed that black holes are not entirely black, as previously thought. They actually emit a faint radiation due to quantum effects near the event horizon, a region just outside the black hole where gravity is incredibly strong. This radiation, now famously known as Hawking radiation, was a revolutionary concept. It arises from the creation and annihilation of virtual particles near the event horizon, a process deeply rooted in quantum mechanics. Hawking radiation has profound implications for our understanding of black holes and the nature of the universe. It suggests that black holes are not eternal, as once believed. Over incredibly long timescales, they will slowly evaporate and disappear, a process that challenges our perception of these cosmic giants. This evaporation process is incredibly slow, taking an almost unimaginable amount of time. For instance, it would take a black hole with the mass of our sun longer than the current age of the universe to evaporate completely, highlighting the vast timescales involved. Nevertheless, Hawking's work revolutionized our understanding of black holes, providing a new perspective on these enigmatic objects and their role in the cosmos. Black holes are often depicted as gateways to other universes or dimensions. This is a tantalizing idea, but it remains highly speculative. The laws of physics, as we currently understand them, break down at the singularity. This makes it difficult to predict what might happen inside a black hole. Some theories suggest that black holes could be connected to other universes through wormholes. Wormholes are theoretical tunnels in space-time. They could potentially allow for faster-than-light travel or even time travel. However, there is no observational evidence to support the existence of wormholes. The idea of black holes as portals to other universes remains firmly in the realm of science fiction. One of the most mind-bending aspects of black holes is their effect on time. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, gravity warps time. The stronger the gravity, the slower time passes. Near a black hole, where gravity is extreme, time dilation becomes significant. Imagine two clocks, one near a black hole and one far away. The clock near the black hole would tick slower than the clock far away. This difference in time is not an illusion. It is a real effect of gravity. Time dilation has been experimentally verified. It plays a crucial role in our understanding of the universe. Black holes are not just cosmic oddities. They play a crucial role in the evolution of galaxies. Most, if not all, galaxies are thought to harbor supermassive black holes at their centers. These behemoths can have masses billions of times greater than our sun. They exert a powerful influence on their surroundings. Supermassive black holes can regulate star formation in galaxies. They can also drive galactic winds that shape the distribution of gas and dust. The study of black holes is essential for understanding the formation and evolution of galaxies like our own. Their influence extends far beyond their immediate surroundings. Black holes continue to captivate our imagination. These mysterious entities, with their immense gravitational pull, challenge our understanding of physics and the very fabric of space-time. They represent the ultimate frontier of our knowledge. The event horizon, the point of no return, is a boundary that beckons scientists and explorers alike to uncover its secrets. Scientists are constantly striving to learn more about these enigmatic objects. Through relentless research and innovative technology, they aim to decode the mysteries that black holes hold. New telescopes and observational techniques are providing us with unprecedented views. of black holes. Instruments like the Event Horizon Telescope have given us the first ever image of a black hole, a monumental achievement in astronomy. We are entering a golden age of black hole research. With each new discovery, we peel back another layer of the universe's grand design, revealing the intricate dance of matter and energy around these cosmic giants. The study of black holes will continue to push the boundaries of our understanding of the universe. Theoretical physicists are developing new models to explain the behavior of black holes, from their formation to their eventual evaporation. These cosmic abysses hold the key to unlocking some of the deepest mysteries of the cosmos. By studying how black holes interact with their surroundings, we can gain insights into the nature of gravity, quantum mechanics, and the evolution of galaxies. As we delve deeper into the nature of black holes, we are sure to make even more astonishing discoveries in the future. Each breakthrough brings us closer to understanding the fundamental principles that govern our universe. The quest to unravel the secrets of black holes is a testament to our insatiable curiosity and our desire to comprehend the universe we inhabit. This journey of exploration and discovery is not just about black holes, it's about our place in the cosmos and the endless possibilities that lie ahead.
Like and subscribe. We worked really hard for you.